Use Google as calculator. Hello friends, today we will use Google search as different way like unit converter, currency converter, as student hack, no particular words meaning. Watch this video till the end. I hope this video will really helpful for you. Now we can see here we using Google search as a calculator. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now we see unit currency converter. 1 pound is equal to how much dollar? Now Google showed us the result, 1.37 US dollar. Now we will check the unit converter. 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? We will wait for some time. Yeah, it's this 1k meters. In this way, we can convert any unit into any unit. Just select this menu. So easy. Now find definition of particular word. Here we are finding the definition of earthquake. Now we don't know what is earthquake. Then type define column and then type earthquake and search at the Google. Then we found the definition of earthquake. This will really helpful for students if you do not know the definition of a particular word. Now this is the meaning of sad. We can see the result at here. What is joy? Joy, you can see. Delight, great pleasure. Now preferred file type like PDF, PPT, etc. First type file type, then column, and then type file type name which you want, like PPT, PDF. Here we type PDF and the type the subject, like you are searching of a space shuttle. Then type space shuttle and we can find space shuttle related PDF. This will really helpful for students. Now we want PPT. Then we can change PDF to PPT. We delete the PDF name and then we type PPT. Now here deleted PDF extension and typed PPT, and we see here the result of cricket PPT. Now using time ranger, first type the word like World War. And the duration time, type the duration time like 1940. Then type column and then 1960. And now we see the result of World War, these 2 decades. Here we search anything which Google comes out the result of their world of that time, like computer 1952 2010. Here we see the results of the history of computers. Now we are using Astra symbol. We want to know something but we don't know. Then like type salary of an engineer and then use the symbol Astra. In USA. Here we found this question related searches. 99,738 US dollars. Salary of Google CEO has trash. Sundar Pichai. So much salary, boss. Very good. Now we use symbol of minus sign. Now we search the Microsoft Word, but in this search related we see some laptop which we don't want. Then we use after the word minus symbol, Microsoft minus laptops. And now here we search, we receive the search, the exact search what we want. Quotation marks. If you want the preferred, if you want to search preferred word, that we can use the symbol of quotation mark. Like this mark, cloud computing and mark N. And we search. Now we can see the results of cloud computing. By this mark we can search preferred thing, what you want to search. Like we search here hello friend in between the quotation mark and we found the result, the song. Now we search here DJ Snake, which is my favorite. Yeah, see the result. Okay, bye friends, see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.